Guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Wanted to do a full overview on the Cash Forex Group or the Cash FX Group opportunity. Before I do that, guys, do want to remind you guys that crypto, Forex, any passive platform on the internet has a risk factor, and if you aren't in a position to take a calculated risk, then this platform is definitely not for you. If you are looking to get into this platform, it's imperative that you only put in a risk capital, funds you can afford to lose. Because like I said before, while you could earn profits, passive profits, a very healthy passive profit income stream, keep in mind that there is a risk involved. So that being said, let's jump right into it, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you the company presentation. I'll go through it. But real quick, guys, if you haven't watched any of my Cash Forex Group videos, go into my channel and check them out. I go into several different reasons why I think this is a great opportunity and why I decided to get in. Okay, so just to give you a super brief synopsis of those videos, a couple of things that resonated with me was the fact that this is a brand new platform. Okay, it's literally days old. Okay, it's very young, and with passive platforms, you definitely want to get in early if possible. Of course, with that comes the possibility that there's going to be some hiccups, some glitches, some growing pains. That's fine. I'm okay with that. The fact that you can get in early before the masses is there's a huge benefit to that. You can create a financial windfall for you and your family if you get in and take advantage of timing. Okay. The other thing that resonated with me when I took a look at this was the fact that the owners are, or the owner is very visible, very transparent, and he has a digital footprint that goes way longer than however Cash Forex Group started. So Oscar Lopez, he's been around the industry for a very long time. I remember him way back in the day with Organo Gold, which, if you're familiar with Organo Gold, that's a traditional network marketing company that at the time was probably the hottest company in the entire industry. They had all the top earners. There were people there making millions of dollars on a monthly basis, and I remember him from back in, I don't know if I remember correctly, like 2012, 2011. He was promoting Organo Gold. So he's been around the block. He's been around for quite a while. And then Ron Pope, who is not a part of corporate, but he is he's definitely spearheading the expansion of Cash Forex Group. He's been around for a while also. He's probably best known for being the CEO of the Conversion Pros, which is it's a marketing system / affiliate marketing opportunity that's been around since 2015. So very well known in the industry. So these are known individuals. Okay. The other thing that resonated with me was the fact that they want to be as transparent as possible. As a matter of fact, I'm doing this video here on August 5th. Tomorrow, on August 6th, they are actually doing a live trading event. You can actually check this out. I'll leave a link for this in the description box right below this video. But this is happening tomorrow, August 6th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you go to this link right here, again, I'll link this underneath in the video. You can actually watch, and it'll be a live trading event. You can actually see them do trades. So there is proof of work here. Now, bear in mind that this will pack out. So if you do not get there in time, believe me, you will get shut out. So make sure you show up early. You don't have to pre-register or anything like that. Just show up at this link. It starts at 9 p.m. Eastern. I would probably get there minimum 5 minutes before 9 p.m. Possibly 10 minutes would be better. That way you just ensure that you're not going to get closed out. Point being is there is proof of work, and these guys want to be as transparent as possible. So again, I can go on and on. The matrix, which I'm going to show you here, it's another reason why I think the quote unquote little guy will benefit from this, because they'll be able to reap the benefits of the efforts of other people above them that are building the business. So I'll show you that here in a second. But again, I can go on and on. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to basically take you through this basic overview, give you the details and highlights, And again, see, and you can actually watch this and see if this is for you. If you may be doing some due diligence and some research on Cash Forex Group, perhaps you're already in Cash Forex Group and you're looking for some information. Either way, hopefully I can give you some value here, and I can show you what this is all about. So let's jump right into it, guys. It says here, Cash Forex Group is a company founded by an international team of experts in project management and financial markets, associated with a highly trained staff in the educational area with the purpose of helping people from all over the world to master the necessary knowledge of trading, trading for success, supported by the most advanced technology and professionals oriented towards the achievement of your goals. So again, like I mentioned before, there are known individuals that are behind this platform. They have a digital footprint that goes way beyond the genesis of Cash Forex Group. And again, you can actually friend these people on social media, on Facebook. Like I friended, both individuals that I mentioned on Facebook. They accepted my request. And again, these are actual real people. The mission behind Cash Forex Group is among the best in the world in combining assisted trading systems with algorithms in the financial markets of Forex, network marketing, and interactive educational programs, creating a unique experience for users. So along with the Forex packages, which I'm going to show you here in a second, you'll be able to tap into education. There's actually going to be real products behind these packages. By the way, you don't have to know anything about Forex. You don't need to open up an MT4 account. You don't need to do any of that. Okay, you can simply purchase packages, these Forex packages, and have them run for you on autopilot, totally hands off. You'll be able to receive profits Monday through Friday, right? Every trading day, up to 15% per week. Now it's not a fixed 15% a week, it's up to 15% a week. Now they do trade in Forex, guys. The Forex market is the largest international currency market in the world. Forex has a daily movement around $5.3 trillion. Again, that's trillion with a T. It is one of the largest, most liquid, and most consolidated markets in the world. Their prices are influenced by a variety of economic and geopolitical factors, which in turn trigger rapid price movements and increase market volatility. So again, all these different things that are happening around the world, it creates volatility, and with volatility comes the opportunity for profit. Okay. Again, 5 days a week is how we actually get paid, is when we get paid our passive profit. So keep that in mind. There is no passive payments on the weekend, because the Forex market is closed. Okay. Now, in addition to that, let's talk about cryptocurrency real quick. All transactions within our payment gateway are made through Bitcoin. So it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. To fund your account, you need to you need to send Bitcoin, and then your commissions, your passive payouts, you can actually draw in Bitcoin to your personal Bitcoin wallet. Okay. So very, very important that you know that it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. And let's take a quick look here at the Academy program. Okay, so the Trade Academy, it's the educational section of the Cash Forex Group. It is also what we call the educational and corporate trading packages. You can start with our learning programs and enjoy the multiple benefits of this program. The elemental packages, right? The content of this module, you can enter the Forex market, handle basic concepts, and you can also manage the capital. The plans or the packages that are in the Supreme category, it's a higher level where your ability as an ace trader develops in advanced training. You can also master the entry events and key locations. And then the higher plans will give you access to the advanced training. It's the level where our ace trader manages to perfect the previous techniques, dominating the psychology of trading. Okay. How we operate through corporate accounts that allow us to manage the capital of different parts of the world with absolute security and transparency, giving each user the opportunity to access trading programs supported by cutting-edge technologies without prior knowledge or experience. So as I mentioned before, you don't need to have any type of experience in Forex. You don't have to open up an MT4 account or download any softwares to your computer. You simply purchase the packages here that I'm going to show you in a second, and they will run for you and give you profits up to 15% per week, Monday through Friday. Okay. So let's go through them. These are the elemental packs. As I mentioned, these are the basic packs that give you the basic training. There's 4 different elemental packs. There's the $300 pack. There's the $500 pack, the $1,000 pack, and the $2,000 pack. So again, you can start for as little as $300 in Bitcoin. You can send that to the account and purchase your Academy pack. And again, you can scale your way up should you decide to. You don't have to, for example, if you don't have $2,000 to start, you can start at 300 or 500. And as you build the platform, as you build out your network, as you start to receive passive payouts, you can actually upgrade to the higher packs by paying the difference. So again, scaling, having the opportunity to scale up is pretty powerful. Okay, the Supreme packs start at 5,000. There's a $5,000 pack, a $10,000 pack, and a $20,000 pack. So again, all these packs you can receive up to 15% per week. Just the several days that I've received passive payouts so far, it's probably averaged around 2.5% per trading day. So again, it's not, you don't get a fixed 15%, it's up to 15% per week, but that's still very, very powerful, because up to 15% per week times 4 weeks in a month is up to 60%. That's, you can profit very, very handsomely. Okay. The advanced packs start at 30,000. There's also a $50,000 pack, and then ultimately there's a $100,000 pack. Again, you can scale your way up to these as you build out the platform. Okay. So just here, as far as the comp plan is concerned, we share 100% of the value of the products. Now, again, I do want to mention that this is totally optional if you want to participate in the affiliate comp plan. If you want to simply purchase the packs, the trading packs, and then receive profits, you can totally do that, not tell a soul about this. If you want to build this network and you want to refer people, or you have the desire to earn from the comp plan, again, it's totally optional. Okay. Now, again, we share 100% of the value of the products. 2 things you need to keep in mind. There's something called bear capital and bull capital. If you want to be passive and you don't want to build out the network, you can receive up to 2%, up to 2 times, not 2%, up to 2 times the value of your pack. If you want to build a network and you start to build it out, you can receive up to 4 times the value of your pack. Okay. So again, just to simplify things, just keep in mind, if you want to be passive, 2 times. If you want to build out the network, you'll earn up to 4 times the value of your pack. So regardless of what category you fit into, whatever pack you purchase, you will earn 2 to 4 times that in your account as time goes by. Now, these are the different ways you can earn from the comp plan. Some of these I'll go into, some of them I'll breeze over, some of them I'll focus a little bit more on. But just know that there are several different ways you can earn from the affiliate compensation plan. So again, from a passive standpoint, I've already mentioned it 2 or 3 times. You can earn up to 15% Monday through Friday. Again, it's not a fixed 15%. It'll fluctuate over time, but that's what you can earn on your pack, is up to 15%. There's also a fast start bonus. And what I mean by that is when you refer people, if you refer people and they purchase a trading pack, you will receive 50% of the value in a 50% fast start bonus. Okay. That's very, very aggressive. Most platforms will pay anywhere from 5% to 10%. I've seen platforms pay 20%, but this right here is very, very aggressive. I've never seen one that pays 50% until Cash Forex Group. Okay. There's also a unilevel bonus that pays out 50%. Now, when you get started with the platform, you'll have access to levels 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you build out your team and you refer people, the people you bring into the platform, they'll start referring people. Those people bring into the platform, they'll start referring people, so forth and so on. So up to 4 levels, you'll be able to earn right out of the gate a 10% commission on. So any activity that happens on your level 1, you'll get 10%. Any type of activity that goes on your level 2, you'll earn 10%. Level 3, 10%. Level 4, 10%. Now, to open up your levels 5 and 6, you need to get ranked up to the executive position, and I'll show you what you got to do that. But once you do that, you'll open up levels 5 and 6, where you'll earn 20% on levels 5. Any activity that goes on level 5 and any activity that goes on level 6, you'll earn 20%. If you want to open up your level 7 and 8, you got to hit the position of manager. That'll open up, an additional 5% on level 7, an additional 5% on level 8. If you want to open up level 9, you hit the position of director. That'll open up an additional 5% on that. And then once you hit the position of president, that'll open up your 10th level, where you'll get an additional 5%. So you can earn on 10 levels, okay, on 10 levels, this unilevel bonus. Now, once you hit the position of, these top positions of ambassador and global ambassador, now what happens is the bottom falls out. You get paid past your 10th level, and levels 11 through infinity, you will start to earn a percentage on. So again, you can build this out very, very big, very, very large over time, not overnight, but over time. And again, this will be huge if you want to earn affiliate commissions. It's all about building a team, and once you help your team members succeed, you'll start to reap the benefits via these unilevel bonuses. Okay. Now, in addition to the unilevel bonus, they have something called a forced matrix. It's a 3x10 force matrix. And what I mean by that is it's 3 wide, and 10 deep, right? This force matrix, you can have 3 people on your first level. That's 3 wide. And then it goes down 10 levels. That's why I say 10 deep. And this force matrix, it gets filled out by not only your efforts, but the people below you, and also the people above you, assuming that they're building the network, right? So let's say, for example, this is you sponsor 3 people. Those first 3 people get put on your first level. You earn, and I'll break down what you earn here, but you'll earn 3% of the 50% of the withdrawal commission. Okay, so let's not worry too much about the percentages right now. I just want to break down how this force matrix works, and then I'll talk about the percentages here in a second. So again, you'll sponsor 3 people. Now, when you sponsor your 4th person, you can't put that person on your first level because you can only have 3 people. You have to place that person on your 2nd level. So this person here had nothing to do with this person here, but they're going to reap the benefits of that because they will earn matrix commissions on this person. Okay, let's say this person here goes out and sponsors one person, sponsors another person, so their first level is filled. Okay, they can only have 3 people. And then let's say this person here goes out and sponsors someone, but then you go out and sponsor a 5th person. Well, again, the computer system will look for the next available spot. In this case, it's right here. So your 5th person that you personally sponsor gets placed in the next open position here. So this person here will benefit from what this person does. They had nothing to do with this person. You placed this person underneath them, but yet they will receive matrix commissions on what that person does and what that person builds, assuming that they build something down the road, for life. Okay. Let's say this person here brings in one more person. This person here brings in another person, but then you sponsor your 6th person. Well, again, the computer system will look for the next available spot. In this case, it will be right here. So your next personally sponsored person, you'll place underneath this person. Again, this person had nothing to do with this person, but now they're going to reap the benefits moving forward and get paid matrix commissions on what they do. Now, this will continue to build, okay? As you bring people in, they're going to start falling underneath in the matrix. As this person brings people in, they're going to fall underneath, and this matrix will start to fill out, not overnight, but over time. And a fully filled out matrix will have 88,572 people. Now, again, it's never going to fill out perfectly like this. This is an example, and typically with an example like this, we're showing perfect world scenarios. But unfortunately, we don't live in a perfect world, so it's never going to fill out perfectly like this. But we have to show you something, right? We got to show you the potential of what can happen. And again, if you have 88,572 people, you'll earn on all these people. And again, these are people that have come in regardless of you. You might be receiving people in your matrix from spillover. You're still going to get paid matrix commissions. Okay. Now, again, the way this matrix commissions work is the withdrawal fee in Cash Forex Group is 20%. Half of that gets put into this force matrix. Okay, so 50% of the withdrawal commission gets put into this matrix, and that 50%, right, gets broken down right here as such. So on your first level, you'll get 3% of that 50%, right? On your second level, 3%, third level, 3%, fourth level, 5%, so forth and so on. As you can see here on your 10th level, you're getting 10%, and that's going to be where the bulk of matrix positions will be at 59,000 just on your 10th level alone. There's tremendous potential in the force matrix. And again, this was where the little guy, quote unquote, will benefit, because even if someone doesn't have the ability to refer people, build a team, market, that sort of thing, if they get positioned early, they can potentially receive spillover over a long period of time, and their matrix will get filled out. Okay, of course it'll get filled out if they take action and they're referring people also. But even if someone isn't taking much action, or let's say they don't want to take much action, or they don't know how to take action, it will still get filled out. It'll be slower if they're passive, as opposed to someone who's active. It'll build out faster, but again, they will receive spillover from this forced matrix. Okay, so again, I'll do more training on this as we move forward. Just wanted to give you an example and hopefully give you a clear picture of how this force matrix works. In addition to that, you'll earn a 10% personal match on the forced matrix commissions of your personals. Okay, so anyone you personally refer to Cash Forex Group, as they build out and get paid their forced matrix commissions, you'll earn a 10% match of that. All right. Now, as I mentioned before, in order to open up different levels in the unilevel payout, you have to hit certain positions. This is basically the ranking system, the leadership program, executive right here. How to hit executive? You have 7,000 in personal group volume. Personal group volume means that it's not through spillover. It's people. It's your group that you build out from your personal efforts. So again, you need to have a minimum 7,000 personal group volume. To hit manager, you need to have 25,000 personal group volume. Of course, there's a couple of different other requirements, but I just want to hit the group volume because that's going to be the most important thing. You need to have 25,000 personal group volume to hit director. You need 100,000 personal group volume. Okay, to hit President's Club, you need 500,000 personal group volume. To hit ambassador, 2 million personal group volume, and ultimately the top position in the company is global ambassador. You need to have 5 million personal group volume, and you'll hit global ambassador. Okay. One last piece of this is something called generational matching, because in most compensation plans in network marketing, if let's say you bring in somebody who is better than you and they pass you, let's say they have a bigger network, maybe they have experience, they have I don't know, whatever reason, they start skyrocketing, right? And they pass you in position. In most network marketing companies, you'll get cut out of those overrides. Well, in this particular platform, you'll still receive 50% of the leadership bonus, even if a leader reaches your rank or higher. Okay. So again, you'll still receive a 50% of the leadership bonus if you bring someone in the platform that is better than you, which is great. So that's the beauty of network marketing, right? So again, 2 ways you can attack this. There's the passive, purely passive. You can receive up to 15% per week. And then, obviously you'll earn up to 15% a week until you hit 2 times the value of your pack. If you want to build out the network, you'll earn with commissions and everything up to 4 times the value of your pack. And there's a lot of different ways you can actually earn affiliate commissions, as I've showed you here in this short presentation. But again, we are early in the game. Now is the time to get positioned. If you want to see proof of work and you want to see their trading, I'll leave a link for their live trading event that's going on tomorrow night, which is Tuesday, August 6th at 9 p.m. Eastern. But yeah, this is positioned to be, this can be the next big platform. There's a huge community that's already building, and now is the time to take advantage of this. So that being said, want to leave it at that. Again, if you haven't joined our team Telegram, I'll leave a link for that down underneath in the description box. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon. That way you'll get notified whenever we post up a brand new video. And yeah, if you have any questions about this particular platform, you can reach me on Telegram. I'll leave my handle also in the description box. And that's it. So hopefully you got some value from this. You have a better understanding of how this platform works. And yeah, we'll see you on the live trading event. Have a great night, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.